I'm way far back. I need to catch up. Just keep making progress. This cade's gonna be jumping again before we get there. What's up, vlog? Or you, here, I'll get you going first. Yeah, it is. Alright, go. Ready? Yeah. Oh my god, my GoPro. I go. We're like the only ones. Here we go. It's a long way down from here. Woo-wee. Holy crap. That one popped the inside of my leg. Pretty hard. Oh. We gotta make another swim. Pool number 2. This is about a quarter mile. Gotta put on another quarter mile again to get all the way down there. It's a long way. There's nice rapids down here. Pretty nice to see. Look how pretty. Oh. What's up, Evan? Just head on down, dude. We got a waterfall waiting for us.
Oh yeah, I thought this was a waterfall.
No, these are just the kind of rapids, but smaller waterfalls. Really pretty.
Oh, so you got like an actual waterfall?
Yeah, they say there's a massive waterfall down here that Dad tried to swim under, but he couldn't because the force was just pushing him way far away from it. But boom. When we get up there on that little island that's out, you'll be able to hear the waterfall. It's quite big. It's like, you can hear the kind of roar. How far is it to the waterfall?
Down there.
I found the bottom. I haven't saw the bottom. I almost grabbed a rock, but then I started to die. We made it. Holy cow. I think Caden might jump. like I did. This has been amazing, guys.
This is awesome. We found a catfish and goggles and the glasses.
We're about a half a mile or so from the highway down there. It's freaking...
I don't know if you'll
kick
probably
me?
can't hear anything we're saying.
Now you can.
I found a catfish. I tried to get it to eat my hand. Like in the
Hillbilly hand fishing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That was a big one. That's the biggest cliff we've jumped off of.
Where are my goggles?
I don't know where I put it.
That was probably the biggest one.
Keep going. Keep going. Hayden.
Alright guys, that was pretty scary. We were about all the way down there, like halfway to the waterfall. And Charles noticed that the GoPro was not in the tube anymore. So we ended up having to swim all the way back about, I don't know, a long way, maybe like a quarter mile. About halfway back. And Charles found it in a tree. So I thought I had lost this. And I'm already in debt from the backboard that I broke. So I thought, I'm screwed. But we found it. So now we're gonna have to find a way to make sure that that doesn't happen again.
Hey, turn up. I'm about to go down these scary rapids. Yeah. I'm just gonna get in right here. Up more? Okay, I'm gonna go up farther and go down. God, this water's moving so fast. Charles, you go first. Okay. Charles is going. Alright. We're going, boys. Charles is in front of me, and I'm going straight for the tree. Oh yeah, I might die. Say hi. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ah, Charles splits. Charles, you better get fixed. You better get fixed, Charles. Ah, I'm like stuck. Bro, I don't want to go down. I'm scared to go down. Charles. Should I go? Huh? How? I can't get out of the freaking tube. They're stuck and they're gonna die. Charles said he's stuck when he's just sitting there. You're going down with nothing? You're an idiot. Here I go. I'm going, guys. Oh my god. That was so fun. Okay, I can't get it. I gotta get out. I gotta get out. I'm probably stuck in the river right now, holding on with my fingers. Oh, I got out. Ryuchi, guys. Ryuchi vlog. That was fun. I thought I was gonna die. Alright. See you at the waterfall.
Pour me another one. Make it a strong one. We're gonna have some fun. fun tonight. I wanna be a castaway and leave the world behind. Take a tropic holiday, say goodbye to keeping time. Wasting away down by the coast, Pacifico and chasing lime. Easy living down in paradise. Pour me another one, make it a strong one. We're gonna have some fun tonight.